from one class 100 students are pass out, so near about 80 students not having that much knowledge, because they try to just pass that particular examinations, and 20% students, they don't have that technical knowledge. Means only 20% that people having the technical knowledge. म्हणजे 20 लोकांनाच फक्त तेवढं टेक्निकल नॉलेज असते, बाकी हे असतं. आणि whenever the any company they recruit the student, they conduct their exam, aptitude test, interview. So this communication skill play a very key role while you are appearing for the interview, right? Suppose any campus is comes in your, it means any company is visited to your campus for recruiting the students. At that time, the first way is how you are talk, right? How you express your knowledge. That is very important. So focus on this communication skill. Maybe in the first year you also have this subject communication skill. Try to talk with your friends in English, right? Whenever you in the campus, okay, so that your communication skill will be automatically improve. म्हणजे ही कम्युनिकेशन स्किलचा खूप मोठा रोल आहे तुमच्या एज्युकेशनल लाईफ मध्ये, राईट? कारण की तुम्ही कसं बोलता, कसं चालता, त्यानुसारच पुढच्या व्यक्तीला समजते की नाही, हा बंद्यामध्ये थोडं काहीतरी आहे याच्यामध्ये, याला आपण सिलेक्ट करायला पाहिजे, हा आपल्या कंपनीसाठी बेनिफिट्स आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ सॉफ्टवेअर स्किल, राईट? So now these are the advanced. Now you are in the diploma level, but you can also try to learn this MATLAB. So it is one kind of software that is called the matrix labs, where you can do the different simulations, simple circuit you can design. Then AutoCAD is very important. In some industry they are demanding this. So while doing diploma, you can also try to do these courses through the NPTL, right? So NPTL is the nothing but one platform which is offered by the government of India and different IITs. So you can enroll that and you can complete that courses. Then someone also important is Python language. This language is also important if you want to enter in the IT sectors. And this is the this is the PLC and SCADA. PLC and SCADA basically useful when you enter in the automation industries. Okay, maybe in the third year you have this subject PLC and SCADA. Now let's see a next slide. If you see, as an electrical engineer, in which area I have the big scope, right? So I categorize this into three regions. One is the core region, then IT industry, and the graduation job. Means after a diploma, if you complete a degree and then go for the different administrative services. So first we see the core jobs. Now here I mentioned power grid, NTPC, NHPC. जे हे दिसते तुम्हाला पॉवर ग्रिड, NTPC आणि NHPC, हे सगळे कुठल्या बिलॉंग्स करते? हे सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटला बिलॉंग करते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द पब्लिक सेक्टर, राईट? PSU. And this Mahagenco, Mahatransco, and different private sectors like Tata Power, Adani Powers. These are belongs to the power industry, which are belong to private sectors. And this Mahagenco, Mahatransco, these are belongs to our Maharashtra government. So every state has their own private entity, their own entity, and they recruit the students number of times. Okay, so here you have the big opportunities in a particularly core sectors. Now somebody have changed their mind in the third year and try to they want to enter in the IT field. So in that case also you can enter in the IT field. Only things you have to learn some basic language. So that's why I said that you if you know at least one language, that may be Python, maybe C programming, then you can easily enter in this particular IT sectors. Okay. So you have the benefit as electrical engineers. You can enter in the core field also and IT field also. But if you are belong to the IT field engineers, suppose you are computer science engineer, you don't have the chance to enter in the core industry. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग ज्याने केले तो या सेक्टरमध्ये त्याला जॉब भेटू शकते, परत तुम्हाला या IT सेक्टरमध्ये सुद्धा जॉब भेटू शकते. बट एक ITचा बंदा असेल आणि त्याला सपोज कोर इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जायचं असेल, लाईक पॉवर ग्रिड, महाजेनको, महाट्रान्सको, so it is not possible to him, right, to enter in this. Next one is a graduation job. If you see here, graduation job. I am audible? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody want to, after completing your diploma, and somebody want to prepare for the MPSC, UPSC, and staff selection sectors. Right. In that case, you have to make the plan from the diploma point level. Right. So diploma is your first entry point now. Somebody student maybe after 10 they are taking the admission to the diploma. Some student may be there who are completed their 12 and then enter in the diploma. Right. So you are enter from the 10th and 12th. So, and if you have the dream, like I want to become a Tahsildar or deputy registrar or deputy collectors or PSI or collector. So, in that case, you can plan from right now, right? You complete your diploma and uh, step wise, do the preparation so that when you are in the final year or after the diploma, when you are in the graduation level, at that moment only, your whole preparation will be done. So that is the that kind of strategy you have to make. Now next, as an electrical engineer, here I already mentioned NHPC, NTPC, power grid. Only 2 to 3 names I mentioned here, but it is not limited to that one. फक्त तेवढेच नाही, खूप सारे तुम्हाला opportunities आहे. For example, this is the recent advertisement. Please everyone mute yourself. Now, this is NHPC, that is nothing but National Hydro Power Corporations. It comes under Government of India. आणि यांचे प्रोजेक्ट जे असतात ते हायड्रो पॉवर प्लांट जे असते जे पाण्यावर चालणारे प्लांट असतात राईट सो त्यापासून जे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होते दॅट काइंड ऑफ the work is done by this NHPC that is called the National Hydro Power Corporations. So when you are learning that basic electrical engineering at that time you better understand. So here the point I want to tell you that the main thing is you select a very wonderful branch that is electrical engineering and it has a large scopes, right? It is not a limited scope. Now this is the recent recruitment that is junior engineer for electricals. Now if you see here, right, if you see here their pay scale 29,600 to 1 lakh 19,500, right? This much scale they are giving to the diploma holders, right? Here I mentioned diploma holders and reservation is also there, so you have the good opportunity and this is the recent advertisement. Now next, power grid, this is another company. Power grid, what exactly this power grid is doing? Power grid is transmitting the power from one place to the another in whole country. म्हणजे एका गावातून दुसऱ्या गावाला किंवा एका स्टेट मधून दुसऱ्या स्टेटला जर पॉवर पाठवायचा असेल सेंटर लेवलला विथ हाय व्होल्टेज तर त्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला पॉवर ग्रिड ही कंपनी दिसेल. राईट, इफ यू सर्च ऑन द नेट अँड सी the number of videos are available, you will get the information about this company, and this is a dream company for electrical engineers, right? Because they are offering high much packages. So important thing is here, this is also the recent advertisement, and if you see diploma training in electrical, civil and electronics. Okay, so number of opportunities for you, but one thing you should remember, now you are in the first year, so try to focus to at least 70% marks, right? 70% marks, it is very important. So now you are in the first year and this is your induction program. So just make sure in your mind, okay, I am the guy and I want to secure minimum 70 percentage in each semesters, right? Because sometimes some industries they demanding 70% as a criteria. Now see here, right? This is Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, and they in the eligibility criteria what they are mentioned, they mention 3 years full 3 years diploma from the recognized technical board or institute, and minimum 70 marks, 70 percentage should be for general OBC, right? And pass mark for ST and ST, right? And another important thing is why the students and why it is so important to take the admission to diploma. Those want to make as an engineer, so they should start their career from electric diploma. म्हणजे ज्यांना इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये करिअर करायचं आहे त्यांनी डिप्लोमा पासून स्टार्ट करावं. 10वी नंतर लगेच डिप्लोमा, त्यानंतर डिग्री. का? बिकॉज यू हॅव द टू चान्स. वन इज व्हॉट एव्हर द जॉब्स अवेलेबल, जे पण जॉब्स अवेलेबल असणार ते डिप्लोमाच्या लेवलवर तुम्हाला असणार ॲज अ जेई पोस्टसाठी right? आणि जर तुम्ही पुढे जाऊन ग्रॅज्युएशन कम्प्लीट केलं इन द सेम फील्ड, then you have the opportunities for EE. But nowadays, what is the trend? The post which are for diploma holders, and if you are not completed diploma and you are completed B, so B completed graduates not allowed to sit for this JE exam, right? Here, if you see higher technical qualifications, right? Just I minimize this one. Okay, higher technical qualification like BTech, B, MTech, it is with or without diploma is not allowed, right? So you also have the competitions below amongst yourself and your friends, right? तुमचे आणि तुमचे मित्र ज्यांनी डिप्लोमा केलेला आहे त्यांच्याचमध्ये हे कॉम्पिटिशन असते फॉर दिस पर्टिक्युलर ब्रांच इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग. Okay, so this is the recruitment if you see. Okay, so huge opportunity is there. So power grid is one of the entity. Maybe you learn in the when you enter in the core, when you are in the second year. At that time, you understand one subject, power system, right? Transmission, distributions, and generations. All that things you are going to learn in the second year or in the third year, right? So these are the criteria, right? Qualification, 3 years diploma, and discipline, and years, right? Years is also important. 27 years for the general, 30 years for the OBC, and 32 years for SC/ST. And here, just I mentioned before, higher technical qualification like BTech with or without diploma is not allowed. Okay. Another important thing, latest recruitment, if you see, right? SSC means nothing but staff selection commissions, right? Junior engineer for Chhattisgarh Power Corporations. The point is you have the number of opportunities, but for that you have to prepare yourself, right? You have to learn each subject properly. And for that, how you make the timetable, your personal timetable, that is very important. Now, this is the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. So nowadays, the government of India, if you are completed your diploma, after that, you have to register yourself on this website, that is National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. So once you registered yourself, after that you get one ID, registered ID, and that ID is useful while applying for apprenticeship in different companies or different like power grid, NTPC or railway or MECB, right? In that case, you require that number, registered number. म्हणजे हे एक काय एक वेबसाईट आहे कोणाची, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाची, त्यालाच म्हणतात नॅशनल अप्रेंटिसशिप ट्रेनिंग स्कीम. यामध्ये तुम्हाला रजिस्ट्रेशन करावं लागते, आता नाही, डिप्लोमा झाल्यानंतर, राईट, किंवा डिप्लोमाच्या लास्ट सेमेस्टरला असेल तेव्हा. सो तुम्हाला एक नंबर मिळाला भेटतो आणि त्या नंबर थ्रू तुम्ही डिफरंट ठिकाणी अप्लाय करू शकता कशासाठी, अप्रेंटिसशिप. सो अप्रेंटिसशिप इज नियर अबाउट एका वर्षाची सुद्धा असते, राईट, और 6 months also. So during this 1 year they are giving a salary to you also, right? So if you selected as an apprenticeship in a power grid, then they are offering you 12,000 per month, right? And they also giving the training. So now you are in the first year. So how you planning for the study? So first decide your path. What you want to achieve in your life? What is your goal after diploma, right? And for that make the study timetable, right? If you are not plan yourself in a proper way, then it is very difficult to secure good marks or to achieve your target. So the most important thing is how you make your timetable. Okay, then next continuously follow your personal timetable, right? That is very important. Second year, when you are in the second year, at that time start your preparation for aptitude, right? Make the clear what you want to do after the graduations or after the diploma. Okay, and in the third year you have to prepare your resumes, uploading it, attend the campus interview, right? In the campus, off campus, right? So such kind of plan you have to make, right? So you have 24 hours, right? Suppose 8 hours is gone in the colleges, after that you have more 8 hours, right? So if 24 hours I said that जर तुमच्याकडे 24 तास असेल, त्यातले 8 तास तुमचे कॉलेजमध्ये गेले, 8 तास तुमचे सपोज झोपण्यामध्ये गेले, राईट. सो दिस 8 hours, आउट ऑफ दिस 8 hours, बाकीचे जे झालेले 8 hours आहेत, right, at least 4 hours daily if you are spent on the study, then your career will be bright. Only take the admissions and only attending the lectures, it will be not work, right. You have to make yourself, right. You have to improve your skill, right? And for that you have to take the help of your teachers, right, and whatever the source which are available. Now let's see here, there are the different recruitment at state level, at center level, and SSC, right? That is nothing but staff selection commission. So you should be focused on this. So SSC in the sense, it is also one of the government entity at central level, though who are recruit the students which belongs to the diploma, right, for the J post. J in the sense junior engineers, right? Here, if you see diploma engineering, and what they are asking in the syllabus, if you see aptitude, reasoning, and technical, this thing they are asking. And another state government jobs are there: Mahadiscom, Mahatransco, right? Municipal Corporation, MIDC, MADA, Metro. Nowadays, Metro is very famous, right? If you see the city like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, right? Metro's construction is going very rapidly. So this metro department also required the students who are belongs to the different branches. So electrical should be there because if you see जसं मी ट्रेन बघितला त्यांचं signaling, then wiring, all that purpose electrical engineers are required. So you should know. But in the metro examinations, once you crack the metro exam, there is the interview. So for that also you have to improve your skill. Now another important thing is through MPSC you can also enter in the engineering field, right? That engineering field is nothing but MES, Maharashtra Engineering Services. Sometimes this recruitment is for diploma holder also, but and most of the time they require the graduate engineers also, means degree holder. Sometimes they require diploma holder also. So if you see their syllabus, they are asking, they have 3 stages. One is pre-exam, पूर्व परीक्षा, मुख्य परीक्षा आणि मुलाखत. अशा 3 कॅटेगरीमध्ये डिवाइड केलेलं असतं. And when you enter in the syllabus, whatever you learn up to 1 to 10th class, like Marathi, then English, general studies, these are all you are already learned, right? So this is all about the MPSC, that is Maharashtra Engineering Services. If you want to appear for this, now if you see the syllabus like DC circuit, AC circuit, three-phase circuits, all these are the content. These are all the things you are going to learn now in the first year, second year, and third year also. Now, after that, this is another thing is that is Union Public Service Commissions, right? And if you have the plan, yes, I want to become the IAS, right? That is Indian Engineering Service Administrator. So in that case, you have also plan right now. म्हणजे तुम्ही डिप्लोमा लेवल पासून स्टार्ट करायचं. आफ्टर दॅट तुम्ही डिग्री केला की तुम्ही या एक्झामला अपेअरिंग होऊ शकता, राईट. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला आतापासून अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे. नंबर ऑफ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आर देयर, right, and these are the different stages, right. Right, now this is the JE, SSC JE, that already I told. So every year, प्रत्येक वर्षी हे त्यांच्या जागा काढत असतात स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन्स, आणि ते स्टुडंटला रिक्रुटमेंट करत असतात आणि वेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटसाठी, राईट. सो दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर यू. स्कीम ऑफ एक्झामिनेशन कशी असते, जनरल इंटेलिजन्स रिझनिंग, देन जनरल अवेअरनेस, all these things are included in their question paper. So 50 marks, 50 marks weightage, general awareness 50, and technical part 100 marks, right. And if you see their paper, so all that question they are which are asked in the exam, that is totally based on your syllabus, means diploma syllabus. जे पण तुम्ही आता शिकाल फर्स्ट इयर मध्ये, सेकंड इयर मध्ये, थर्ड इयर मध्ये, तो सिलेबसचं कंटेंट यामध्ये असतं. त्यामुळे तुम्ही जे आता लर्न करणार ते चांगल्याने लर्न करा, राईट. दॅट इज द पॉइंट. आणि वन्स यू क्रॅक दिस एक्झाम, so different department like center water commission department, CPWD, that is nothing but Central Power Public Works Department. Then military engineering services, right? जर कोणाला तुम्हाला आर्मी मध्ये जायचं असेल, राईट, तो त्या केसमध्ये पण तुम्ही या एक्झाम थ्रू तुम्हाला तिथे रिक्रुटमेंट भेटतात. सम hydro projects are there, right? If you want to enter in the hydro projects, right? So this exam is very good exam if you want to make the career in the government sectors, right? You have the also opportunity in the private sector also. That is not the issue. Then direct general border road organization, suppose you want to work as a technical person in a Indian armed force or Indian army, Indian navy, so in that case also you have the good opportunities. Okay, but the thing is you have to learn whatever the things should be teach in your class, right? Attend every class, learn that all the concept, understand the things. And why we are showing this much opportunity you have, because sometimes students don't know what is the target, which are the exams available once I enter in this diploma electrical engineering. So these are the number of opportunities are there. Only thing you should know, this these are the exam, this is the syllabus, and what is the part to crack that exam. So these three stages if you know, then there is a no problem of job and your career, so your career will be very safe. Now next thing is, right, this all the that thing belongs to the SSC JE, right? This gate examinations is for the graduate people, this is not for you. If you completed degree, after that you are eligible to appear for this exam. Okay, their syllabus also if you see, this syllabus is also included in your syllabus also, right? This graduate level syllabus, some part near about 50% syllabus you have in the diploma, so those are completed diploma and go for the higher study, means for the degree, they find very easy, right? They easily clear that 3 years. Okay, right. Now the Coal India also the one of the company, that is government sector company, they can also recruit the students, particularly diploma students, for the JE post. So you have the chance to enter in this field also. Okay. Then in the Indian Army also you can go for the technical post through your diploma. Okay. This is CAT, GRE, that is for after graduations. Now the next point is, if you see one thing, state power industries. Right. Now we see center, means after that we see private. But in Maharashtra itself, if you see, the different private industries are there. That is called the state government industry, like Mahavitaran, Mahajanko, Mahatransco, right? So these also recruit the student through their separate examination they are conduct, and on the basis of that they select the student. And one important thing and one very good things for the diploma holders, in the most of the exam or most of the recruitment process, in that process there is a no interview. म्हणजे जे पण रिक्रुटमेंट डिप्लोमा होल्डरसाठी निघतात त्यात महत्वाचा ऍडव्हान्टेज काय असतो डिप्लोमा होल्डर्सना, की तुमचा इंटरव्ह्यू नसतो. डायरेक्ट सपोज तुम्ही मेरिट मध्ये आला की तुमचं सिलेक्शन होतं. फक्त काही पोस्ट साठीच तुमचं इंटरव्ह्यू असतो, राईट? So that is very important. So you have to take the advantage of that. Okay. This is the advertisement in 2018 for the Mahavitaran, right? Recently in last year also the students are recruited through this uh, Mahavitaran. Okay. And reservation is also there. Now see here, diploma engineer trainee, right? Near about how much vacancy are there? Near about 338. This is Maharashtra government job, right? For diploma engineer trainee, what is the age limit? एज लिमिट किती आहे? 30 आहे, राईट? आणि एवढ्या साऱ्या व्हॅकन्सी गव्हर्नमेंटसाठी फक्त महावितरण. महाजनको, महाट्रान्सको इज अ डिफरंट थिंग, राईट? That is the things. Now the books, right? Which books you have to refer, start from the first year itself, so that you are easily crack this exam. Hello, I am audible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are in the first year, and you have the 3 years, right? That is clear. First year, and you have 3 years. So if you see these books or all these three books, if you set the target, okay, up to my third year, I have to finish all these books or at least one book, right? So now this one is the book is Objective in Electrical Technology, in which more than 5,000 portions are there, right? Here integrated electrical engineering by R.K. Rajput. So this one, first one book is belongs to H. Chand, second one books is J.B. Gupta, and third one is R.K. Rajput, right? Some other books are there, but these are the three main books. So one of the books you can select for the diploma post, and you start the preparation. Suppose you are learning in the first year basic electrical engineering, right? So once you purchase this book, after that go through that one. Okay, I have the transformer syllabus. So what is the transformer? Which are the questions they are asked in the exam? You can जस्ट चेक दिस बुक. हे बुक बघायचं, त्या बुक मधले कुठल्या टाईपचे क्वेश्चन आलेले आहे, मी जो टॉपिक शिकलाय त्या क्वेश्चनचं प्रिपरेशन करायचं. जर तुम्ही हे आतापासून स्टार्ट केलं फर्स्ट इयर पासून, राईट, तर तुम्हाला लास्ट इयर पर्यंत कशाचं टेन्शन राहणार नाही, right? Even in the private industries also they are recruit the people, so you get the good knowledge in that case, practical knowledge you have, and you can analyze that things. म्हणजे तुम्ही त्याला व्ह्यू करू शकता की बाबा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर असा आहे, हा असा रोटेट होतो, हा असं काम करतो, की स्टॅटिक आहे की रोटेटिंग आहे, राईट, कुठे याचा यूज होतो. ऑल दॅट थिंग्स यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न अँड व्हिज्युअलाइज. बट फॉर दिस you have to learn means you have to think on that. Okay, you have to go all the literature which is available, and you have to attend all the classes which is conducted in your college. Okay, so another books, if you see, electrical and electronics engineering, right, this books is belongs to the this book Galgotia publications. Then this book is also belongs to the JB Gupta book, electrical engineering. So in this book, all the questions are there. Their explanation is also available. And suppose this any one question is asked in the railway exam, or in any question is asked in the NTPC, right? So all that they are mentioning. Okay, this question is asked in this examination in this year. All that information you will get in these books. Then Harish Rai books, that is question bank in electrical and electronics engineering. So by the Galgotia. So you focus on this electrical. Now some the good website which are very useful. Now you are in the first year, so you go through this website like www.electricalforyou.com. Then next one is www.sandfoundry.com. So on this website, what they given some topic which is belongs to electrical engineer. Let's suppose switchgear and protection one subject is there. So what are the protective devices are there? What is the relay? All that technical terms are there included. Their explanation they are given. After that, which are the objective questions? That questions are framed and they are displaying on their website. So you can install their app also, Electrical for You. Okay. So whenever you get the time, try to solve it. In such way, you have to manage your time and prepare yourself. Because if you see, जर तुम्ही बघा, ज्यांनी पण इतिहास घडवलेला आहे ते जनरली कुठल्या एज मधले आहे, राईट, 16 ते 28 असं पकडूया आपण, राईट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, त्यानंतर भगतसिंग, राजगुरू, जे पण डिफरंट खूप महान व्यक्ती होऊन गेले, त्याने जे करिअर घडवलेलं आहे, जे आयुष्य म्हणजे काहीतरी महान केलेलं आहे, ते या एज मध्ये केलेलं आहे, 16 ते 28 या एज मध्ये, राईट. कारण की या एज मधलं ब्लड हे कसं असतं, सळसळतं असतं, राईट. तुमचं रिफ्लेक्सेस इज फास्ट, राईट, यू आर व्हेरी एनर्जेटिक इन दिस age. So you have to concentrate on these things, on whatever you are learning, on educations, right? And once you make your career, you got a good job, then do whatever you want, right? People also try to follow you. But right now if you are doing the time pass, or you can say that you are entering the bad habits, so it is very difficult to sustain in your future years, right? So हे एज खूप महत्वाचं आहे, right? 16 to 28. सो या एज मध्ये तुम्हाला इतिहास घडवायचा आहे आणि इतिहास घडवायचा असेल तर तुम्ही ज्या फील्डमध्ये आहे त्या फील्डला चांगले तुम्हाला अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे. इच अँड एव्हरी टर्म्स. असं कसं येत नाही आल्याशिवाय राहत नाही, राईट? असं आमच्या लहानपणी आम्हाला म्हणायचे शिक्षक, राईट? सो यू हॅव टू फोकस ऑन दिस. Okay, electrical for you, sand foundry. And once you are completed your diploma, then these are the different website like free job alerts, then naukri.com, LinkedIn, right? These are the different website where you have to make your resume, upload that. This is the searching engine, like where is the jobs are available. LinkedIn is like you have to make the profile yourself, register yourself, right? And they people search you and they offer you some job. But all this process, particularly this one, is after your diploma. Right now you have to focus on whatever you are going to learn. Okay, so if you have any question you can ask me. Now the session is open. तुमचे काही डाउट्स असेल, डिफिकल्टीज असेल, किंवा तुमचा अभ्यास होत नसेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल, मन लागत नाही, सो यू कॅन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन टू मी ना. हॅलो, हॅलो, आय एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
हा, तुमचे काही क्वेश्चन असेल सो यू कॅन आस्क. ज्यांना काही क्वेश्चन असेल त्यांनी विचारा सरांना. Any question, any doubts, right? So basically now you select a
No,
very good branch. First thing म्हणजे तुम्ही आयुष्यातली एक चांगली गोष्ट केली की एक चांगली ब्रँच सिलेक्ट केली आणि ते पण तुम्ही डिप्लोमाला ऍडमिशन घेतले, हे सर्वात महत्वाचं काम, राईट? आता तुम्हाला हा पाथ कसा फ्लो करायचा त्यासाठी तुम्हाला स्वतःचा टाइम टेबल, प्रत्येक लेक्चर अटेंड करणं, राईट? ऑल दॅट थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट. अनदर इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज तुम्ही कसे इथिक्सनी काम करता, कसं तुमचं बिहेवियर असते क्लासमध्ये, राईट? जेव्हा तुमचे टीचर शिकवत असतात तुम्ही काय ॲटिट्यूडनं गोष्ट करता, कसं, दॅट ऑल द थिंग्स आर मॅटर्स टू डेव्हलप युअर पर्सनॅलिटी. ओके, येस, इफ यू एनीवन हॅव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कॅन आस्क मी फ्रीली. घाबरू नका, तुम्हाला जे वाटते ते विचारा, नो इश्यू. हा, अनदर इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज यू शुड कीप इन माइंड तुम्हाला किती पर्सेंटेज सिक्युअर करायचे आहे. मोर दॅन 70%, राईट? मोर दॅन 70% in each
yes,
semester. Just keep the target in front of you. Okay, I want to achieve 70% in each semester. Yes, if you have any doubt please ask.
ज्यांना काही डाऊट्स असतील त्यांनी विचारा सरांना. कसलेही डाऊट्स असू द्या तुमचे, इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्डशी रिलेटेड, तुमच्या डिप्लोमाशी रिलेटेड.
हॅलो
hello, sir.
सर. हा, बोला की. हा, येस. हॅलो
Hello,
सर,
sir.
आय एम
What
ऑडिबल?
is the use of electrical engineering in army?
What? Please can you repeat your question? Hello.
What is the use of electrical engineering in army?
Okay, in the Indian army, any army. Now we have three forces. One is Indian Army, right? Then
Navy.
Air
Yes.
Force, Navy, right? So in each department they require the technical peoples, right? Technical peoples that belongs to electrical, mechanical, and civil. Basic three branches they are going to select. So as a diploma engineer, you can join here in Indian Army. So in the Indian Army means you are not like that ki you are on the border and you have to fight. You have to think about the technical parts like motors are there, right? some generators are there, some machines are there. On that you have to work. So you have the chance to enter in the army. And if you see the recruitment, like one recruitment I already show you in my presentations. In Indian Air Force also, as a diploma engineer, you can enter. Recently, there is a one company that called the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. They recruit the peoples those are completed their diploma in the field of electrical, in the field of mechanical, right? These two field students they are recruited. So this belongs Hindustan Aeronautical Limited basically belongs to Air Force, right? It is a part. Another important thing recently, if you maybe know DRDO, right? So it is a defense research organizations. Here also they are recruit the students, and Navy also as a diploma holder you can enter. But for that you have to crack their exam. Yes, I think I cleared your doubt. If you have, please ask me. Hello.
सर तुम्ही जे आता
yes.
बुक्स सांगितलं ना ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ते आता रिफर करायच्यात का आम्हाला?
नाही, आता तुम्ही फर्स्ट इयरला आहे ना, त्यामुळे लगेच चालू नको करा. पण तुमचा जो सब्जेक्ट असेल, सपोज बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग सब्जेक्ट असेल, तर त्यातला तुम्ही चालू करू शकता हळूहळू. सपोज तुम्हाला बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल मध्ये शिकवलं की ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय आहे शिकवलं, किंवा बेसिक सर्किट शिकवलं, रेजिस्टन्स, इंडक्टन्स, तर याच्यावरचे पण क्वेश्चन त्या बुक्स मध्ये आहे. तर त्या बुक मधले ते क्वेश्चन तुम्ही कव्हर करायचे. आणि जर तुम्हाला टाइम भेटला तर असं पण तुम्ही वाचू शकता ऍज अ नॉलेज म्हणून, कारण की ते इनडायरेक्टली तुम्हाला नंतर खूप बेनिफिट होतं, खूप सोपं जातं मग.
थँक्यू सर.
एनी क्वेरी? तुम्ही लाजू नका, तुम्ही क्वेश्चन असा मन मोकळेपणाने विचारा, राईट? इट डेफिनेटली हेल्पफुल, कारण की तुम्ही फर्स्ट इयर आहे आणि तुमच्या माइंड क्लिअर असेल तर तुम्हाला अभ्यास करायला मजा येईल. आणि तुम्हाला माहितच नाही आपल्याला कुठं जायचं आहे, तर तुम्ही कुठल्याही गावाला जाल, आहे का नाही? आपल्याला जर माहित असेल की मला याच गावाला जायचं आहे, तर तुम्ही त्याच रोडनी फॉलो करणार.
हॅलो सर.
हा.
म्हणजे ते DRDO मध्ये घ्यायचं असेल तर म्हणजे डिप्लोमा डायरेक्ट डिप्लोमा कम्प्लीट झाल्यानंतर घ्यायचं की ग्रॅज्युएशन?
डिप्लोमा लेवलवर सुद्धा तुम्ही जाऊ शकता आणि डिग्री नंतर सुद्धा जाऊ शकता. डिप्लोमासाठी जे असेल ते ऍज अ JEE म्हणून तुम्ही जाता त्यात. आणि जे डिफेन्स हे असेल, तुम्ही जर डिग्री कम्प्लीट केला तर ऍज अ AE म्हणून जाता, तिथं असिस्टंट इंजिनियर म्हणून तुम्ही जाता. ऍक्च्युली बघा, कुठलीही ऑर्गनायझेशन बघितली तर कसं असते, अगोदर मॅनेजर असतो किंवा त्याच्या डेप्युटी मॅनेजर असतो, त्यानंतर असिस्टंट इंजिनियर असतो, त्यानंतर JEE असतो, त्यानंतर ITI होल्डर असतो. सो प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये JEE वाले लोक लागतात. त्याच्यावर कोण असतात? AE वाले असतात, म्हणजे असिस्टंट इंजिनियर ज्यांची डिग्री झालेली असते. त्यांच्या अंडर तुम्ही असता डिप्लोमा. मग तुम्ही जर ऍज अ JEE म्हणून लागला, काही वर्षानंतर तुम्हाला प्रमोशन भेटून ही पोस्ट भेटते. आता बघा, इंडियन रेल्वेमध्ये रिक्रुटमेंट निघाले होते, आय थिंक 2018-19 मध्ये, राईट? नियर अबाउट 10,000 प्लस वॅकन्सी होत्या. So they recruit the people as a JEE diploma holders. त्यामुळे कुठलेही ऑर्गनायझेशन असेल तर त्यामध्ये या पॅटर्न मध्ये लोक असतात. तर सर्वात जास्त लोक कोणते लागतात? ITI चे, त्यानंतर JEE, त्यानंतर AE, त्यानंतर मॅनेजर. म्हणजे मॅनेजर हे कमी असणार, 1-2 मॅनेजर. AE थोडे जास्त असणार, JEE हे जास्त असणार, त्यांच्यापेक्षा ITI जास्त असणार. सो each department these peoples are required. Similarly, in industries, suppose you enter in the private industry like Tata Power, right? So Tata Power, they are recruit both the people, AE also, JEE also, and ITI also, ITI holder also. Okay, got it?
Yes
Hello?
sir.
Okay. And another important thing, suppose nowadays there is a trend, machine learning, then data science, business analysis, like that. Maybe I don't know, you know or no, I don't know. You can also able to enter this IT industry, राईट? जसं तुमचं डिप्लोमा झालं, तुम्ही डिप्लोमाच्या लास्ट इयर असताना कुठले कम्प्युटरचे 6 महिन्याचे कोर्स केले, लँग्वेज शिकला, देन इट इज व्हेरी इझी टू एंटर इन द IT सेक्टर ऑल्सो. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला 2 अपॉर्च्युनिटी आहेत. तुम्ही कोर मध्ये पण जाऊ शकता, IT फील्ड मध्ये पण जाऊ शकता. पण IT वाल्यांना हा स्कोप नसतो. आणि नाव डेज तुम्ही बघा, इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हेकलचं ट्रेंड वाढत चाललं. मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 years all the diesel or petrol or maybe 50 to 80% all the diesel petrol based vehicles are replaced by electrical vehicles. So electrical vehicle म्हटले की काय काय असणार, त्यात बॅटरी आली, राईट, चार्जिंग स्टेशन आलं. So यासाठी ते जे टेक्निकल लोक लागणार ते कुठल्या बॅकग्राऊंडचे असणार, most of the time electrical. Okay, so you have the good opportunity. Suppose somebody want to establish their business like manufacturing of solar panels or charging stations. So ते बिझनेस सुद्धा तुम्ही चालू करू शकता जर तुम्हाला हे टेक्निकल नॉलेज असेल तर. ओके, मग तुम्हाला लायसन्स पण मिळतं त्याचं, राईट. तुम्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर सुद्धा बनू शकता, इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर. नंबर ऑफ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आर देयर. हॅलो.
येस
हा, ओके, समजलं का तुम्हाला?
येस सर.
येस सर.
Yes, sir.
येस सर.
And if you have any doubt, any query, you can contact me anytime. Right. Hello.
येस सर. सरांनी खूप चांगलं मार्गदर्शन केलं आपल्याला. आपल्या फील्डमध्ये काय काय स्कोप असतो, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग तिन्ही फील्ड त्यांनी एक्सप्लेन केले तुम्हाला. गव्हर्नमेंट सेक्टरमध्ये काय असेल, प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरमध्ये कसं असेल, आणि तुमच्या स्पेसिफिक फील्डमध्ये पण काय काय जॉब असेल ते सगळं सरांनी व्यवस्थितपणे एक्सप्लेन केलं. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून कोणाला काही क्वेरी असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता सरांना. Okay. Then, on behalf of our Zeal Institute, I would like to thank Mr. Praveen Dhawale sir for guiding our students very effectively. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for giving me these opportunities. So thank you very much.
Yes. Okay.
So
Now
I
you can stop your presentation, sir, and
yes. Sir, may I leave? Okay. Okay.
Hello, students. Our next sessions
Yes,
will
ma'am.
start within 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
श्वासांनी कुंद झालेलं वातावरण, डोळ्यांमध्ये चकाकणाऱ्या ध्येयपूर्तीच्या ओढीचा आत्मविश्वास, मनगटांमध्ये जाणवणारी रग, क्रीडेतील पेच, डाव प्रतिडाव यांच्या आराख्यात गुंतलेलं मस्तिष्क, विजय आकांक्षेनं भारावलेल्या हृदयाचा हातापायाचा होणारा कृष्ण रक्ताचा स्रोत, प्रेक्षकातील प्रोत्साहनात उठणाऱ्या आरोळांचे तारास्वर, कुठल्याही क्षणी प्रतिस्पर्ध्यावर तुटून पडण्यासाठी घेतलेला पवित्रा, संघभावनेनं प्रेरित झालेली सहस्पर्धकांची मनं आणि जणू एखाद्या शस्त्रसज्ज युद्धभूमीनं दर्शन घडावं असा साक्षात्कार देणारा हे रणांगण, अंगावर रोमांच उभा करणारा क्रीडाविष्कारांचा न भूतो न भविष्यती असा रणसंग्राम आपल्या महाविद्यालयीन मैदानावर निरजक शून्य अनुभवण्याची संधी आपल्याला मिळाली आहे. त्याचा लाभ घेतलाच पाहिजे. उत्फुल्ल उन्मेषानं, आवेशानं, जोशानं प्रेरित होण्यासाठी आपली उपस्थिती
अशा पद्धतीने आजच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाचा आपण समारोपापर्यंत आलेलो आहोत. विद्यार्थ्यांना कोणाला काही जर बोलायचं असेल तर बोलू शकतात. काही प्रश्न असतील किंवा काही विचार त्यांना मांडायचे असतील, काही बोलायचं असेल तर कोणी आहे असं ज्यांना काही बोलायचं आहे? ठीक आहे. अशी अपेक्षा आहे की तुम्हाला जे आपले गाईड्स होते त्यांचं मार्गदर्शन खूप आवडलं असेल आणि ते मार्गदर्शन जे आहे ते आपल्याला आयुष्यभर उपयोगी पडणार आहे. त्याबरोबरच जर आपल्याला अजून काही माहिती पाहिजे असेल तर आम्हाला आपला एक ग्रुप तयार होणार आहे क्लासेसचा, झालाही ऍक्च्युली. त्यामध्ये जे सर किंवा मॅडम असतील त्यापैकी कोणालाही आपण कॉलेजच्या वेळेमध्ये फोन करून आपली शंका विचारू शकतो. आणि आपलं टाइम टेबल जे आहे नवीन फर्स्ट इयरचं ते आपल्यासोबत लवकरच शेअर केलं जाईल. सोमवारपासून आपले रेग्युलर क्लासेस चालू होणार आहेत. सध्या ऑनलाईन क्लासेस चालू होणार आहेत. ऑफलाईनचा अजून शासनाचा निर्णय आला नाहीये पॉलिटेक्निकचा. जसा आपल्याला मेसेज येईल तसा विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवला जाईल. याबरोबरच आपला हा कार्यक्रम आज संपला असं मी जाहीर करतो. सर्व विद्यार्थी ज्यांनी हा कार्यक्रम अटेंड केला आहे त्यांचे आभार. जर पालक असतील तर त्यांचे आभार. आपण सगळे आता हा ग्रुप सोडू शकता. धन्यवाद.
हॅलो.
हा बोला
सर, किती वाजल्यापासून लेक्चर चालू होणार आहेत?
सकाळी 9 ते दुपारी 3:30 पर्यंत आपले लेक्चर राहतील. एक्झॅक्ट टाइम टेबल जे आहे ते आपल्या ग्रुपवर शेअर केलं जाईल.
नवीन ग्रुप बनवणार आहे का हाच ग्रुप?
आता ह्या ग्रुपमध्ये कसं आहे की हा इंडक्शन साठी आपण ग्रुप तयार केला होता. तर एचओडी सांगतील आपल्याला, जर त्यांनी सांगितलं नवीन ग्रुप बनवा फक्त क्लासेस साठीचा, तर त्या पद्धतीने त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ऍड केलं जाईल.
ओके सर.
जर तुम्हाला तुमचे नंबर्स वगैरे चेंज करायचे असतील किंवा ज्या मोबाईलवर तुम्हाला मेसेजेस पाहिजे आहेत, लेक्चरचे लिंक पाहिजे आहेत, तो तुम्हाला ऍड करायचा असेल तर तुमच्या ओळखीचे जर कोणी स्टाफ मेंबर इथे असतील त्यांना तुम्ही सांगू शकता किंवा ग्रुपवर तुम्ही मेसेज ड्रॉप करू शकता. ठीक आहे.
ओके सर.
ठीक आहे. हा ग्रुप सोडून विद्यार्थी जाऊ शकता आता. हा बोला
सर. मला ग्रुप मध्ये ऍड नाही केलंय.
हा ना, मी तेच सांगितलं. आता तू कसा जॉईन झाला ह्या लेक्चर मध्ये, ह्या
मला
कार्यक्रमामध्ये?
लिंक पाठवली सरांनी.
हा, मग त्या सरांना सांगायचं आम्हाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करायला. कोणते सर होते?
कोकळे सर होते.
कोकळे
कोकरे
सर. कोकरे सर. हा ठीक आहे, हरकत नाही. कोकरे सरांपर्यंत मी मेसेज पाठवतो की त्यांचे सगळे विद्यार्थी त्या ग्रुपमध्ये जॉईन करून घ्या म्हणून. ते होऊन जातील. ठीक आहे. ओके. विद्यार्थी आता हा ग्रुप सोडून जाऊ शकतात. हा कार्यक्रम संपला असं मी जाहीर करतो.